In mid-September, both gillnet and seine vessels fished at the same time, while the troll portion of this experiment occurred in late September. In this joint experiment, commercial fishers with scientists from Fisheries and Oceans Canada and Simon Fraser University collaborated on methods and process. Commercial gillnet fishers believe that a flatter hang ratio would result in less non-target salmon being caught, and a shorter set time would result in more live salmon being brought aboard. Fisheries and Oceans Canada researchers and the Industry Technical Committee on Selective Harvesting of Salmon agreed to test these two parameters in the search for improved methods of fishing. The practice of brailing the catch aboard is believed to result in less physical damage and stress to the salmon compared to ramping, which is the traditional practice of bringing the fish aboard by pulling the entire bunt of the net up the ramp of a seine vessel. In both brailing and ramping, the salmon are sorted on deck. The Industry Technical Committee in Fisheries and Oceans Canada agreed to compare two new brailer designs against the ramping technique, and also against the industry standard brailer, which was mandatory in 1998. This brailer represents the industry standard used in the 1998 commercial fishery. The salmon are dropped onto the deck for sorting. This is a side purse brailer that has a vinyl bottom. The fish are held in water when they are lifted and then spilled onto a sorting table. This brailer has a long vinyl sock. The fish are held in water as they move through the sock and are spilled onto the sorting table.
Producing over 350 quality products, Organica continues the tradition of providing your family and friends with quality products that are properly researched and manufactured under good manufacturing practice.
Hello, welcome to Organica. How may I help you?
Organica believes in providing the best possible service to our customers. This is achieved through a dedicated sales and marketing team armed with the best tools available.
On Kava Kava. We're featuring it this month for $7.98, and it's 60 capsules.
Such as our modern online computer system. Utilizing the power of this sophisticated network system, our sales force is able to provide information instantly to our customers regarding the status of their orders.
Yes, your order has gone out by UPS. Yes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Toll-free lines are provided for the convenience of our customers.
Thank you for calling Organica. How may I help you? This is Allison. Yes, our monthly specials run until the end of the month.
State-of-the-art computers are used by our in-house marketing coordinator. This person is involved in areas such as package and label design, which must meet Canadian labeling standards, as well as cooperative advertising campaigns with our customers. All our advertising design is done in-house for efficiency and continuity. The customer service department helps track orders and answer customer queries.
Yes, it is made of 100% natural ingredients. Yes, that's right.
Land and landscape. We all have differing views about how and why it is used. Most of us agree, however, that we cannot take our environment for granted. Science has provided the technology to increase agricultural productivity. But with some technology has come unforeseen problems.
In the last decade or so, more land is coming out of production because of failed technologies. Salination, waterlogging due to irrigation projects, acidification of soils due to excessive fertilizer application, and so on. So we've actually reached the point where most of the best agricultural land on the planet has already been developed.
Other types of cultural management include new methods of tillage to control weeds. These offer an alternative to herbicide spraying.
We've been very pleased and kind of excited about the rotary hoe in its ability to control weeds in the early stages of corn growth. We can use the rotary hoe for up to about 2 to 3 weeks after the corn emerges from the soil and is up to about the 4 to 6 leaf stage. After that, it's too damaging. But by that time, the corn is already starting to have a bit of a canopy and is starting to outcompete any weeds that might be there. So we've got about 80 acres of corn on the farm here this year that we're growing without the use of any herbicides whatsoever. And it's going to be very interesting to see how the mechanical cultivation substitutes for the herbicides.
Similar to the natural rationale of integrated pest management is biotechnology, which uses living organisms, not chemicals, to make beneficial changes in matter. At the UBC Research Farm, fish waste and sawdust are processed using microorganisms to create compost for garden and farmland.
Situated in the center of the downtown core, St. Paul's Hospital is the oldest of the Carum partners. Like its community, St. Paul's programs and services are multifaceted. St. Paul's is first and foremost a community hospital for the downtown core neighborhood. It actively participates in community outreach partnerships and cares for the diverse population living and working in the West End. But it's also a major teaching and research center, affiliated with the University of British Columbia and renowned for its work in HIV, AIDS, and cardiovascular sciences.
It has been a proud tradition at St. Paul's to turn no one away, since the first patient was admitted in 1894.
We'll get you feeling better soon.